Hi and welcome back to my channel. So it is Thursday evening and I thought that tomorrow, Friday, I will do a full day of eating. So I have an exam tomorrow morning in sports nutrition. So I am gonna prepare my breakfast now. I'm gonna do overnight oats so I can have that either when I wake up or bring it with me to school and eat during the exam or after the exam. Just preparing breakfast now. So yeah, I've basically spent the last 3 days stuck inside just like studying. So I am looking forward to having this test just done with. And yeah, I'm gonna try to keep this video as short as I can, just show you my meals tomorrow. I have some errands to run as well, so it might become a vlog what I eat in a day. I'll see how much and what I film. Okay, so I am back home again now. It is 1:20 and I have just gotten home again. So I just had my test in sports nutrition, which I have no idea how it went. It's could have gone well, could have gone bad. It was a it was a rather tough test. But now it is done and I have my Friday free. Oh. Okay, my music wants to play. Yeah, I basically have my Friday free now, which feels so good. I have a whole lot of things to catch up on online, and yeah, I'm gonna try to edit some videos and things like that. So anyway, I am super hungry now. I brought my overnight oats with me to school and I got there around 8 AM, so I ate that around sometime like 8 AM before my test, and it's like I haven't eaten since then, so I'm so hungry. Anyway, I made a lasagna, which I will show you when I make it, and I'm going to post the recipe on my blog now, so that should be up before this. So I will link that down in the description box. And I'm so thankful that I have food made because I'm so hungry.
evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. and I are working here today is evidence of that.
So basically I've just put it into boxes, and I have about half of the lasagna left. That's how it looks now. I'm actually just going to eat it cold. I'm not going to heat it up. And I'm going to make a salad with it, and yeah. And here you see my super simple lunch. I'm not gonna do anything more than this. I'm just so hungry, so I just want to eat now. It was so hard to eat from a plate, so I put it all into a lunchbox. All gone now, and I am going to make myself a coffee. I'm like full, but like not full. I think it's just because I was so hungry that it's like, and I ate this in like 10 minutes, so I'm gonna like drink some coffee and wait and see, and maybe I will make some like dessert, or maybe I'm full. I don't know. I feel like I just ate it so quick and I was so hungry, so it's like my body doesn't really know what's happening. Yeah. It's now 6:20 and I am going to make some dinner. So I have lasagna left in the fridge, but I think I'm just going to like roast up some vegetables and some tofu and maybe make some hummus, as that is what I'm craving. So what I last ate was some of the dried fruit and the nuts, but I've actually felt a little sick like these last few hours. Like I wanted to just be like productive, get some work done, and I had some emails on like applying for internship and things, but I got such a headache and just felt really sick, so I basically haven't done anything these last few hours. I've just like lain in bed, watched YouTube. Like these past 3 days, I've basically just sat in front of the computer and studied. One of the days I sat almost like 9 hours straight studying, so it's been kind of intense, and I think it's just like hitting me now after the test that I feel mentally really tired and physically. Like I had plans to go to the gym today. I thought I'd come home, I'd eat lunch, rest, and then go work out, but that is not happening today. I am so tired. So today is a rest day. Yeah, I'm not actually feeling so hungry, if I'm honest. I still feel kind of sick. But I know I still need to eat, and like then eating some roast vegetables is a kind of good, like it's easy for me to stomach, and a good go-to when I'm not so hungry. But I think it's also a good topic to kind of talk about that, like how much and what I eat varies every day. Like some days I am more hungry and then I eat a lot more, other days I'm less hungry and I don't eat so often. Other days I just kind of like snack through the whole day, so it varies a lot. And today is a day where I felt kind of sick. I'm not, like I was hungry this morning, but like since I've eaten lunch I've just like felt sick, and yeah, that's life. Who knows, maybe tomorrow I'll be more hungry or whatever. But so first, like after lunch I was thinking like, should I just stop filming because I don't know how much I can or want to eat when I feel this way. But I thought it's also a good way to show like reality. This is how I eat today. How I eat tomorrow will vary, and yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna prepare the roast vegetables, drink lots of water, and then I'm gonna like wash my hair while the vegetables are in the oven. It is now 7:20. I've washed my hair, washed my face, and I feel so much more fresh. And I've made some dinner, roasted vegetables, beetroot hummus and tofu. But I thought I had something I wanted to talk about. I don't know if I'll keep this in the video or not, depending on how long it is. But this morning I woke up and I didn't feel so good. Like, you know, when you look in the mirror you just feel like, it's not like I hate myself or hate my appearance, but it was just like one of those days where it's just like, I don't want anyone to look at me. I just want to kind of hide myself today and not do anything. I think we all have those days. Like, stress and tiredness can definitely make it worse. But anyway, I mean, I had my exam, so I had to get dressed, I had to get up, and I had to go. And yeah, just like put on some comfy clothes, put on some makeup, and just like kind of like fake it till you make it, which is kind of what you have to do some days. And like, it went away. I mean, like, that feeling goes away, and like I said, most people have those kind of days where you're just like, you're not feeling yourself. And the best thing you can do, in my opinion, is to fake it till you make it, kind of have that kind of mindset. But also like some good music or a good podcast that can get your thoughts on other things. Also wearing, like, I think you do your hair really nice, your makeup, or put on some like clothes which you just like feel good in. Because sometimes when I'm having those like blah days, I just kind of hide myself in baggy clothes and just like don't leave my house. But other times I really dress up and, you know, put on makeup and wear lipstick and just like, and it can help you feel a lot better, kind of. But also like eating good, and like make sure you eat enough and drink enough water and that during the day, because those things can also make you feel worse. If you're like, if you skip meals or you eat like say a bunch of processed food because you're not feeling so good, or you don't drink enough water, that can also make you feel worse. So yeah, that is just my thoughts on it. And yeah, I'm looking forward to a weekend off. I'm actually feeling a little better now with my stomach. It feels good to eat again. I almost always work or watch series or like use my phone when I'm eating, but recently I've been trying to do more like just listen to a podcast and just kind of eat, or I sit and write and things like that sometimes when I'm eating. Mostly because I already spend so much time in front of my computer, so it can be nice to like get a break and then just like listening to a podcast and eating, as well as it being more mindful, more intuitive. Because like with lunch today, it's like I finished it in like 5-10 minutes, and the body doesn't really get time to like process that you eat in. So yeah, it can be good to do every now and again, to like not distract yourself when you eat and just like sit and eat and enjoy the food. Anyway, I'm not going to film myself eat this because I feel like the video is going to be too long anyway, but I'm going to finish this. I don't know if I'll eat again or not later, but I will show you if I will, of course. And let me know what you think about these full days of eating, if you like them or not, if they're, I don't know, helpful or inspiring or whatever. As I said in my previous one, I I don't count calories, so I'm not going to do that with my full days of eating. And like for the recipes, I will link them in the description box. Yeah, like I don't know how others do full days of eating, so let me know if you want to see. Let me know if you want to see something in my full days of eating, like more showing the recipes or more talking or less talking, or I don't know. So let me know. If you like the video, give it a like, subscribe if you like my content, and leave a comment below. Just let me know your thoughts, and thank you so much for watching.